Hello and welcome to Flagstaff TV. Today we are joined by Werner Klingenberg, who is the CEO of Goldplat. Werner, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Catherine.
Can you start by talking us through your latest interim results?
Yes, Catherine, I think the results have probably been shared now 3-4 weeks ago, but it has been another good and profitable first half of 2024. Albeit it's been up and down, with Ghana performing well on the back of high volumes of material received. South Africa had a challenging half year, partly due to lower volumes and also still experiencing issues with load shedding in South Africa. And we also had a once-off lower return from smelters that resulted in a loss of £600,000 out of those reduction in gold received. However, due to the high grade and volumes received in Ghana, revenue achieved for the half year was 37 million in comparison with the full year revenue number of 42 million last year. But this was on contracts where there was high grades, which normally has got lower margins. So as a result, the margins experienced for the period was slightly less. The combined net profit for Goldplat PLC for the half year was 1.6 million profit against 3.4 million profit for the prior year.
Werner, please can you tell us what is the focus for the next 6 months?
Catherine, yes. I mean, the focus for us, and it's really been over the last year, is mainly on supply of materials into the plant, whether South Africa or Ghana, and then on the reprocessing of the old tailings facility. As you're aware, the old tailings facility has a JORC resource over it. That's one that was done in 2016 of 82,000 ounces with a grade of 1.7 grams a ton. And maybe just to expand on when I say focus on the reprocessing of the old tailings facility, our focus will really be on finding the best and quickest route to get the approvals to deliver the TSF to DRD Gold for processing. At the same time, we want to evaluate and update the JORC resource potentially. We have added 600,000 tons of tiles on that facility since the JORC resource was completed in 2016. And as part of that, hopefully we can provide more clarity to the market in terms of what the potential is in that tailings facility.
And finally for today, do you have any other updates that you would like to share with us?
Yes, obviously this morning we've indicated to the market that we have 2 new executive board members that's joined us. So I'm quite excited to have Douglas and Brent joining the board. Obviously they're bringing both their own expertise in finance and operations and have been with the company for the last year. And I believe we've got a proper executive team to take the business forward.
Werner, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you, Catherine.
And thank you for watching Flagstaff TV.